What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and guys, dude, season 6 is like right around the corner. It's been raining the last 3 days here, which means it's been snowing at the peaks and all the resorts are getting their snow guns ready, and it's almost go time. It's almost time for season 6, which means we've done this every year since starting the channel. We have to make season 6 goals, because if you don't write your goals down, if you don't make goals, the chances of you hitting goals, they're not gonna happen. If you don't have a goal, how are you gonna hit it? You know what I'm saying? So we make goals here and we normally knock them out of the park. So I'm a big advocate of making goals, and I encourage you guys to make goals too. So I'm gonna tell you my goals, and then I'd love for you guys to share your goal list with me. Whether you like write it down, take a photo and send it to me on my Instagram, or you can comment your goals down below and let me know. I wanna know what your guys' trick goals, travel goals, whatever. And we're gonna go in 3 categories. We're gonna start with the channel goals, then the travel goals, and then we're gonna end it with a banger with my trick goals for this season. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am to talk about some goals for season 6. Now, a lot of you guys know I do this for a living. You know, I make content, so I have to have goals that are kind of content like subscriber oriented, things like that. Even though I have these goals, I'm not superficial. I'm not trying to get all these followers so I have a big head or big ego. It's just I want to see progression. I've been doing this for 6 years. Let's hit some milestones and keep going, you know, let's get this thing bigger and bigger. So for the main goal for season 6 is let's hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. We are so close. We're at 74,000 subscribers. I know we can hit 100,000 this season, and that'd be insane. We get the little YouTube plaque thing before they disappear, and you know, I really want to hit that goal. I think that'd be sick. Also, because all the people that have been around from season 1 to season 2 to season 3 and so on, like, you guys have invested in this channel. This channel only happens because of you guys. So when I hit that goal, we all hit that goal. Team Buckhouse hits that goal. So I'm really excited. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's get that goal. Come on, let's do this. Now, it came out of nowhere. We didn't know if it was gonna stick around, but I think it's sticking around. TikTok, dude. It's a real thing. It's not going anywhere. So I need to make stuff on TikTok. So if you're not following my TikTok, one, do it. We are gonna try to post as much as we can. I hired an employee, our boy Cody, first actual employee of Team Buckhouse, and his main focus this year is to make short form content. So we're gonna be posting on TikTok, Instagram, and probably YouTube Shorts. So you're gonna see a lot of short form content, but this will be completely different content. It's not gonna be recycled content from YouTube. These are different edits, different type of content that you won't see like in a vlog or on a normal YouTube post, maybe a YouTube short post. So it's gonna be really exciting. Follow TikTok. I wanna hit 30K on TikTok this winter. I definitely think that that is obtainable. As well as I'd love to see the Instagram hit 70,000. We're at 20,000 Instagram followers right now, which is cool. But I think with posting that short form content, and then with me telling you guys to tag me on your sticker shout outs on Instagram, we can get Instagram up to 70. That one's like a stretch, but I think we can do it. With you guys, we can do anything. Now back to video types. I want to make some split board videos this year. We got the Travis Rice Orca split board. This thing is gorgeous, and we're gonna make a lot of videos with this snowboard. Things like split boarding Loveland, split boarding A Basin, split boarding Keystone, as well as just split boarding in the backcountry. All that's gonna be a ton of fun. And on top of that, I wanna make more backcountry videos, so having that snowboard as an option to rip through the POW, through, like, if we take the sleds out, and then all of a sudden it's like, yo, I want to get to that point, but we can't take the sled up there, we'll just jump on the split board, and it's gonna be sick. So split board, backcountry type videos. I also really want to do a heli snowboard trip with you guys. I'm looking for 3 subscribers that are down to fork up money to go rip some heli snowboarding with me. In Silverthorne, it's about $1,400 a person, plus you gotta get your food and your stay and all that stuff. I have a specific hotel we stay in. The idea is just to get close with 3 of you guys, and I don't think there's a better experience in snowboarding other than summer camp to do heli snowboarding. So if you're really interested in going heli snowboarding with me, and once again, you're paying for yourself, I'm paying for myself, and we need 3, and I want to be like 3 strangers, I think it'd be really cool. I just want to get to know you guys better, create this awesome bond. So email me if you're truly interested in that, because we kind of got to get that booked. So I'd love to snowboard with 3 of you. And then lastly, for the content, is the backyard park. Cody's working on it right now. He's out there painting rails. He grinded all the rails down. They're looking so sick. But we want to have a tow rope, as well as we have 6 features for the backyard park, and just make a couple of videos back there, you know, like 2 videos a month or 3 or 4 a month. I don't know. I have no idea what the schedule will be within the backyard park, but we'll have it. We can rip it, and we can get good at snowboarding, and that's what the biggest reason for having a backyard park is. You can get so many more laps. So let's get good at snowboarding. Now my travel goals, you guys know this. We have the resort map. If you haven't checked out the resort map, it's linked in the description. It's a map of the United States, has every single ski resort in the US. All the green dots are the ones that we've ridden at, and if you click on them, you can watch the videos there. So you can see if I rode your ski resort, watch the video, and if it's red, I haven't been there, so you know I'm coming your way. And this season, I want to ride 50 new resorts, 50 or more, no less than 50. Because if we ride 40 resorts a season, it'll take 10 years. So let's do more than 40. I don't want this goal to take 10 years. We got to knock out some ski resorts. Obviously, the first way we're going to do that is the week on the East. We're going to go to the East Coast every single year. We talked about it. We're going to go to Pennsylvania. I've been mentioning it on the live stream. We have the whole thing mapped out. It's going to be really sick. 8 days, 14 ski resorts, and a surf day. So it's going to be a good time. Next is everyone in Michigan. You keep asking. We're headed to the Midwest. We've been ripping Minnesota, Wisconsin. The resorts are sick, but everyone's like, you're missing out on Michigan. Where you at? So Michigan, we're coming your way this year. It's going to be sick. Next is New Mexico. I really want to get to New Mexico and Arizona, ride those resorts down there. I'd love to just knock both of those states out. Boom, we rode them. They're done. We don't have to go back. And then on that note too, I'd love to finish Colorado. So ride all the remaining 8 ski resorts in Colorado. Knock those out. Have Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona 100% ridden. And then I have no idea what the other travels are, but that's kind of the fun. Like, I don't like to have everything totally in the books because one of you guys might write me and be like, yo, I got ski in, ski out with your name on it, come show up. And then we do, and it's sick, and it always works out because you guys are incredible. And you guys know this, I say it all the time. I can't travel and pay Cody and do all of this without your support. So one, watching the videos is enough. Thank you so much for doing that. But if you really want to support on another level, check out any of the Evolution stickers, all the skiers out there, hashtag ski gang, all the snowboarders. Grab a sticker, throw it on your helmet, let everyone know you're a part of Team Buckhouse, as well as any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. I have so much awesome merch options for you, as well as like the memberships and the Patreons and stuff, guys. Like, you are how this thing works. So thank you to everyone that does support the dream. And with that plug out of the way, dude, let's talk about the tricks. What are we gonna throw down? How big are we going? Are we gonna tone it back? Cause it's my job, responsibility. No way, dude, we're going off. We're gonna send it. Obviously, the 1080, that was a goal last year. We didn't get it. We had like one golden day that we were gunning for it. We never got there. I need to get better at snowboarding, and then we'll get that 1080. That's gonna happen. So 1080's going down. I wanna do a frontside 720, which we did. But with the grab, I want it to be a pretty frontside 720. Cab 720. Now this wasn't a goal last year, but somehow we did it. Oh! And it was like, what? Kind of ugly. Let's get it better. Cab 720. I'd love to have all 720s, but backside 720. Now these are the big ones. I think even harder than the 1080. We got Rodeo 540. It's a flip rotation. Like, it's scary. I broke my ring finger trying it the last time I did. Here's the clip. And that hurt, but we want to go for it. As well as an under flip. It's another flip rotation, but you just kind of go off a jump and you just go, and you kind of like flip underneath yourself, and it's pretty sick. It's like a sideways back flip. Anyways, under flip. Rodeo 540, under flip. Those are the two hardest, scariest. Probably need an airbag. Got to get on some trampoline flips, but I think we can get them. Now let's talk about some rails. I would love to do a 540 off of a rail, off of a cannon, maybe a little donkey rail, but 540 off a rail, like boom. Super sick. Ooh. And then also, I'd love to get some like 360s onto rails. So we can do cab 270 and we can do front 270, but maybe we can get like a back 3 onto a rail, front 3 onto a rail. That would be so insane. Maybe a cab 3 onto a rail. What am I saying right now? Dude, we're gonna do, we made a video last year where we tried the Trans World 20 Trick Challenge. Me and Benson did it right here, and I actually feel like I learned a lot from just attempting that. And I think we're gonna do that a lot this season. There's like 9 volumes of the 20 tricks. And so just keep challenging ourselves with these trick challenges that might open up doors to allow us to just progress with snowboarding, which is like the whole reason why we snowboard, is to get better at snowboarding. And because I have the rail, and I almost got it last time I snowboarded the rail for the backyard, is a front board pretzel out. I really think we could get the trick on this. It's about like a 12-foot to 16-foot rail. It's a flat bar. I think we can get a front board pretzel out on that thing. That'd be a super fun, kind of core snowboarding trick. I don't think they're the prettiest, but if you can do it, people always go, oh, nice job. Obviously for the big mountain, heli snowboarding, more chutes, more gnarly, backcountry riding, more POW. Obviously that's a ride goal, is more POW. Alright guys, so this is my goal list. I will just hang it up over here at my desk. I'll read it every single day. Remind myself, yo dude, go out there and huck that 1080 or you ain't gonna get it. And I hope you guys do the same. Write out your goals. What do you wanna do? What do you wanna learn? But comment it down below too, because that gives me the feedback too of like, oh, I should remake how to do 360 videos. I should do some more like how to do 180s or just trick tips things for you guys, but also like what are your travel goals? Like maybe we can meet at a mountain somewhere else and that'd be super sick, you know? And if you're ballin' and you want to do the heli riding with me, please do. I would love, once again, the whole idea with that is just to connect with 3 of you guys. It means like I'm leaving Michael, Benton, and Cody behind, and it's just me and you guys. I think that'd be a really cool, incredible experience. And with that, Team Buckhouse, I have nothing else to say to you guys. I'm just excited for this season. Literally, me and Cody have been grinding, working on like the short form content that we want to post this winter, as well as just video ideas, as well as getting the backyard park ready, as well as just stickers. We've made so many stickers. Mainly Cody's weeded them, but like stickers are getting made. Overall, like it's all coming together, and I'm super excited for season 6. It will be the best season we've ever had, and if you watch the season 5, you're like, how can you top season 5? You will see, so keep watching. But with that, Team Buckhouse, as always, thank you so much for talking with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.